Which of the following contains least amount of N2? A. Coke oven gas. B. Blast furnace gas. C. Producer gas. D. Water gas blue gas. The correct answer is coke oven gas. Calcination of limestone is not done in a kiln for producing lime. A. Vertical shaft. B. Rotary. C. Fluidized bed. D. Fixed bed. The correct answer is fixed bed. Neoprene is A. Monomer. B. Synthetic rubber. C. Polyester. D. None of these. The correct answer is synthetic rubber. Saponification value number of an oil or fat is a measure of its A. Fatty acid content. B. Degree of unsaturation of the fatty acids present in it. C. Average molecular weight. D. Insoluble fatty acid content. The correct answer is average molecular weight. Ethyl alcohol cannot be produced. A. From waste sulfite substrate of paper mills. B. By esterification and hydrolysis of ethylene. C. From molasses. D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. Exothermic condensation reaction of monochlorobenzene with chloral in presence of 20 oleum as catalyst produces DDT. The reaction temperature is maintained at C. A. 1530. B. 9100. C. 200 and 5300. D. 0. The correct answer is 1530. Cement mainly contains A. CaO2L2O3. B. MgO2K2O. C. L2O3 MgO2O3. D. CaO-MgO-K2O. The correct answer is CaO2L2O3. Sand and is fused at 1300 C to produce sodium silicate. A. Limestone. B. Soda ash. C. Coke. D. Sodium sulfate. The correct answer is soda ash. Coke used for the production of calcium carbide should have A. Low ash content. B. Low ignition temperature. C. High electrical resistivity. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Sucrose is a disaccharide consisting of A. Glucose and glucose. B. Glucose and fructose. C. Glucose and galactose. D. Fructose and galactose. The correct answer is glucose and fructose. Function of sodium thiosulphate hypo in development of photographic film plate is to A. Brighten the faint images. B. Remove metallic silver. C. Convert silver chloride to silver. D. Remove unexposed silver halide. The correct answer is remove unexposed silver halide. High temperature carbonization of coal takes place at C. A. 2000. B. 700. C. 1100. D. 500. The correct answer is 1100. White phosphorus is stored under water because A. It does not react with water. B. It is poisonous. C. Its kindling temperature in dry air is very low. D. It is unstable. The correct answer is its kindling temperature in dry air is very low. Is not a constituent of gunpowder. A. Carbon. B. Charcoal. C. Sulfur. D. Potassium nitrate. The correct answer is carbon. Hydrophilic group of a soap or detergent solution is A. Water hating. B. Soil loving. C. Water loving. D. None of these. The correct answer is water loving. Rotary kiln is not involved in the production of A. Cement. B. Lime from limestone. C. Slaked lime from quicklime. D. None of these. The correct answer is slaked lime from quicklime. Mercury electrolytic cell produces 50-70 NaOH solution. Its operating temperature is C. A 25, B 60-70, C 150-200, D 250-300. The correct answer is 60-70. Vanillin is a type of A. Antipyretic drug, B. Food preservative, C. Flavor, D. Dye. The correct answer is flavor. Temporary hardness of water can be removed by A. Addition of alum, a coagulant, B. Boiling, C. Filtration through gravity sand filter, D. Addition of lime. The correct answer is boiling. More than 100% of is present in oleum. A. SO3, B. H2SO4, C. H2SO3, D. SO2. The correct answer is H2SO4. Pure rectified spirit contains about % alcohol. A. 45, B. 70, C. 95, D. 99.5. The correct answer is 95. Oxygen is separated by distillation from air after its liquefaction. The boiling point of oxygen is about C. A. 83, B. 183, C. 196, D. 218. The correct answer is 183. Titanium dioxide is an color pigment. A. White, B. Black, C. Yellow, D. Blue. The correct answer is white. Mercury cells for caustic soda manufacture compared to diaphragm cells. A. Require lower initial investment, B. Require more power, C. Produce lower concentration NaOH, D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. Cellulose percentage in bamboo fiber is about A. 10, B. 20, C. 50, D. 85. The correct answer is 50. Essential oils are usually obtained using A. Steam distillation, B. Extractive distillation, C. Solvent extraction, D. Leaching. The correct answer is leaching. Impurities present in brine is normally removed by treatment with A. NH3 and CO2, B. Lime and soda ash, C. Lime ammonia and carbon, D. All A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. Hydrogenation of oil fat does not A. Improve its resistance to rancid oxidation, B. Raise its melting point, C. Remove double bonds, D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. Solvay process as compared to dual process, i.e. modified Solvay process. A. Can use low-grade brine, B. Has less corrosion problems, C. Involves higher investment in NH3 recovery units than that for crystallization units for NH4Cl, D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. Builders are added in soap to act as A. Cleaning power booster, B. Anti-redeposition agent, C. Corrosion inhibitor, D. Fabric brightener. The correct answer is cleaning power booster. H2S is scrubbed from refinery gases by absorption using A. Dilute H2SO4, B. Ethanol amine, C. Chilled water, D. Tributyl phosphate. The correct answer is ethanol amine. Chlorine gas is produced by the electrolysis of brine NaCl solution with solid NaCl makeup in mercury electrolytic cell. Which of the following is the anodic reaction? A. Oxidation of Na ions, B. Oxidation of Cl ions, C. Reduction of Na ions, D. Reduction of Cl ions. The correct answer is oxidation of Cl ions. Zeolite is an A naturally occurring clay which is capable of exchanging cations. B. Abrasive material. C. Catalyst used in shift conversion. D. None of these. The correct answer is naturally occurring clay which is capable of exchanging cations. Type of glass used in optical work is the glass. A. Soda lime. B. Fiber. C. Lead. D. borosilicate. The correct answer is lead. Pick out the wrong statement pertaining to the soap manufacture. A. Transparent soaps are made by cold process. B. Organic pigments are used as coloring materials in the soap manufacture. C. Both laundry as well as toilet soaps are manufactured by hot process. D. Colorless rosin is used in the manufacture of laundry soaps. The correct answer is transparent soaps are made by cold process. Ceramics are produced from silicates or clayish materials. Which of the following is not a ceramic material? A. Slag cement. B. Glasses. C. Porcelain potteries. D. Teflon. The correct answer is Teflon. Glass is A. Mainly CaO. B. Subjected to galvanizing. C. A supercooled liquid. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is a supercooled liquid. Analgesic drugs are A. Pain relievers. B. Antibiotics. C. Used in the treatment of TB. D. Used in the treatment of typhoid. The correct answer is pain relievers. Purity of oxygen used for blowing in steel making LD converter is 99.5. The boiling point of oxygen is about C. A. 53. B. 103. C. 183. D. 196. The correct answer is 183. Commonly used glass is known as the glass. A. Flint. B. Hard. C. Pyrex. D. Soda. The correct answer is soda. Fusion of limestone and produces high alumina cement. A. Sand. B. Bauxite. C. Quicklime. D. Calcite. The correct answer is bauxite. Muscites is a terminology used in the industry. A. Paint. B. Oil hydrogenation. C. Soap. D. Sugar. The correct answer is sugar. The basic constituent of vegetable oils is A. Triglyceride. B. Fatty acids. C. Fatty alcohol. D. Monoesters. The correct answer is triglyceride. The most economical pulp for the production of newsprint would be the pulp. A. Groundwood. B. Sulfate. C. Sulfite. D. Semichemical. The correct answer is groundwood. Which of the following is the second major component of cement? A. L2O3. B. CO2. C. CaO. D. Fe2O3. The correct answer is CO2. Mercury electrolytic cells are preferred over diaphragm electrolytic cell for production of caustic soda as it A. has larger production capacity per unit cell. B. consumes less power per ton of Cl2 produced. C. produces high purity 70 caustic soda directly. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Are used as corrosion inhibitor for iron steel in aqueous solutions. A. phosphates. B. chromates. C. sulfates. D. bicarbonates. The correct answer is chromates. LD converter is used in the production of A. pig iron. B. steel. C. copper. D. zinc. The correct answer is steel. The terminology BTX used in coal tar distillation industry refers to A. benzol toluene xylol. B. benzol toluene xylene. C. Benzene toluene xylol. D. Benzene toluene xylene. The correct answer is benzene toluene xylene. Which of the following is not responsible for causing permanent hardness of water? A. CaHCO3 B. CaCl2, C. MgCl2, D. None of these. The correct answer is CaHCO3